Alright guys, the morning target has been achieved. Okay, so we had taken a long trade in the morning and with a really small stop loss, obviously long position. This was our trade somewhere around here. So I think you can exit half quantity over here because now it seems like it might come down. This was our target, and yes, it has been achieved. Yes, it has been achieved, and now it's coming down. So if you have the remaining quantity, you can hold on to it, and you can drag your cost a bit higher, because if it's making a lower low and it's trying to come down, then this was our stop loss actually. And it has been easily achieved because of the momentum in the morning itself. I think there was a big candle at 10:45, and then some consolidation over here, and then we again hit. This was the candle which hit our target, and gap filling was our target, and we did get the gap filling. Okay, so now we are waiting for the next opportunity. We might even get a short trade, but overall the uh, view is still bullish in Banknifty, although Nifty is quite bearish. It has gone down by minus 1.12%. That's a lot. So but Bank Nifty is in a small range, although we did achieve our target even at that small range. Now we are just waiting patiently, and let's see where this goes. By the time it moves around, I also do want to check on some other things like crypto, finance. This will do. Okay. Okay. So Bitcoin has again gone to 19,300 and Ethereum is at 1,050. I think it would be around those levels for quite some time right now, and expecting Bitcoin to come down to even 14,000 or 12,000, which would be a good buy for Bitcoin if you are investing. What's up, Shubham? I don't know. You are online, but showing over here zero viewers. It's really strange. So yeah, I think Ethereum might even come down to 440 levels, and Bitcoin 12,000. That's the last 12,583, I believe. I even remember the level. That's a really strong support, and I think everyone would be liquidated by that time, and we would get a good buy in Bitcoin. And investment, obviously, if you're investing over there, your risk to reward ratio is really good. And whether it's investing or in trading, we always keep consider the risk to reward ratio. Over here we had taken a good risk to reward ratio, because I have seen that this part was holding this support quite nicely. This was the initial rejection that there are a lot of people who have shorted put options over there, and that's why it got this initial rejection. Otherwise, in the morning the momentum usually continues. And hi, I think that was a glitch. Okay. Yes, I don't know. Yeah, Streamlabs is causing a problem. But yeah, as I was saying, that if you see this rejection over here, this implies that there are a lot of sellers, I mean put seller, if you're selling put option, if you're shorted put option at this range, that is 33,100, then it would be very difficult. And this is when I had actually taken this long trade, and you can see my target was the gap filling because I didn't want to go too ambitious into the target, um, owing to the situation of the market. Nifty, you can see that Nifty is constantly, it's going weaker and weaker. Let's just have a look quickly into Nifty. I really don't like to trade in Nifty because whenever I have traded in Nifty, I don't know, I have always been in a loss. And Bank Nifty is like better for me. I like Bank Nifty because it's volatile and it gives a good move. Nifty, after the increase in the lot size, I don't, I'm not too accustomed with Nifty, but you can see that Nifty has gone down and now it's trying to make a V-shaped recovery. This is the point actually, 15,510. So it's near to a round figure, 15,500. So 500 touch करने के आगे ही this huge candle, I think this was a 10 20 candle, okay, 10 20 में ये ऊपर आया, but Bank Nifty had gone up beautifully. Nifty, right now the scenario is looking like it can actually fill this gap, although there is a huge selling. I think it's better you trade in Bank Nifty if you are trading, and if you still have this position open, it's in a profit of 140 points, as you can see. Obviously, the target, after hitting the target, I don't think it's advisable to keep this as keep this position open, but we can hold the remaining quantity, that is one lot. We would have exited somewhere at around this spot, and the next lot we are still holding, and you can now drag your stop loss to this point or somewhere above this demand zone, sorry, this demand zone, that is 33,180 level if you are trading in futures. But in options it's very difficult to determine what exactly this point would be, owing to the time decay in options which we always get. Now the time is 12 and expecting some big move at least at this time. Yeah, the range has been really small in Bank Nifty, 33,080 and 33,343. The day's range is really small, just hovering at around this level. Yesterday there was a massacre, huh? Over here, this candle, I think this candle would have blown your mind, and many people would have lost a lot of money over there. And actually, it was going for the breakdown over here. Even I thought that it would enter this demand zone, enter this zone over here, but that's what I always, and I was actually making a video of this monthly expiry also, why things are so volatile during monthly expiry. And you can see this was a false break, and this candle actually didn't give anyone any opportunity to even uh, sell. If you're holding a put option, I don't think that it gave you any opportunity. Everyone would have held this option, and then after it was breaking this high, I think people would have sold it over here, all of the put option at this point, even thinking that it will go higher because it can, it's monthly expiry. And I think people have lost a lot of money over here during the monthly expiry. Hmm. Reliance, even Bajaj Finser has lost a lot of momentum. It's acting like a pump and dump company. Bajaj, sorry, Bajaj. Okay, let me just check Bajaj Finance. Where is this? Bajaj Finance at 5,000 levels. Okay, one of my subscribers actively traded in Bajaj Finance, and he was really good in this stock. I remember the way he traded. I really liked it. And yeah, Bajaj Finance has also, it's just around this level. It has been around this level for quite some time. 6,000, 5,000 levels from June, from 10th of June. It's just hovering at around this level. And और क्या है ICICI Bank, HDFC 1,300. It has been choppy, just like Banknifty. Price actions are actually extremes over here, but no major move. I think trading in HDFC is a waste. You want to trade in HDFC, better you trade in Banknifty and Axis Bank. Nothing much to even look over here. $624.23 has taken a support. V-shaped recovery from here. So banks trying to recover. That's why I feel that Bank Nifty is trying to hold its momentum. Oh, Nifty is recovering. So Nifty is recovering. Yes, the momentum should start actually by 12:30, because we'll have the London Stock Exchange which will open at 12:30, and a lot of movements over there. And just check our old friend. Bank Nifty is not going up, still at this level, struggling actually. Bank Nifty, after filling this gap, I still feel that there's no sell signal over here. If it crosses this level, this point over here, then we can get a sell once again in Bank Nifty. Friday's market has been a bit more volatile even than expiry. I have seen a few circumstances where the expiry was less volatile. Monthly expiries are always more volatile. It's just useless trading during monthly expiry. It's just that you are wiping all of your capital. If you are a scalp trader, I think monthly expiry is perfect. But if you are a trend trader, I believe in the morning you can try, because this would have been a buy over here, and then it went up and up and up. And this is the major portion of the game yesterday, what happened. And after this momentum, the range of the entire day was quite big. So to break either of the points, it would take a lot of force to break it. And everything went to zero. There were so many call options that went to zero, and even put options. Yesterday it was a seller's day, complete seller's day. Nifty is recovering, so hopefully Bank Nifty will also recover. Just checking some major news. ONGC share crashes after government hikes export tax. So again we are going, it's actually making a really nice price action pattern today. This is the pattern which it is making. Where is the path? Higher high, higher low, higher high. This also can be considered as a higher low, and now it's trying to break this point over here, this point. So perfect price action, and let's see if we break. Once we break this level, we can get a good buy. 33,000, exactly 33,369 is a really strong resistance. Let's see if it goes. If it goes to the moon. Now we are in a profit of 174 points, taking a risk to reward ratio of 1:3. Good. And you can also practice, it's free guys, in TradingView. Just you can click on this long option or short option, and accordingly you can take up a demo trade if you don't want to be trading with real money. I feel that it's a really viable option, and it will show you whether you actually, I mean, how many times you are hitting the stop loss and how many times you're hitting the target. Overall, if you are in a profit, then you can start with money trading as well. And I think that is the best option. Okay, once you have confidence that yeah you are able to achieve uh, that much target within a single day, then you can go for uh, I think you would be better off when trading with real money and not be that much emotional, because you have the back tested results. You have seen that in the past I have done well, and obviously if it works in the past, then it should work in the future as well. And then from one lot you can scale up to 2 lots, 3 lots. Within 1 year, if you reach 4 lots in option buying, with proper risk and money management, I think that overall you would be making money even by option buying, as an option buyer. And sometimes you might be surprised how much profit uh, the options can actually give you. Sometimes you might say that uh, you might expect, keeping an expectation of maybe you might make 2,000 or 3,000 rupees, but sometimes it might give you 10,000 even. So it's surprising how much options can give you at times. Keeping low expectation is actually the best option over here. Okay, let's see where it goes. Major momentum should be on its way by 12:30. 33,300 and 33,200 C are the major options. I believe if we would have taken that, then that's the best, because right now it's in the money also. July. We're waiting for a good move. I think we might get a good move upwards. It's like the calm before the storm. And looking at the price action, no doubt about it. Checking in some news. RIL ONGC shares crash after hikes export tax on petrol. Let's check ONGC once. ONGC. Okay. Whoa, from 148. It's at 133. My god. It's a huge downfall in ONGC. Minus 11, minus 12% in ONGC. And what else? REC announces bonus shares. I don't think the government should have imposed any tax at this moment in this bear market. अगर बुल मार्केट होता तो अलग बात है, पर बेयर मार्केट में प्रॉफिट times. Bajaj Finance rate revision by up to 20 basis points. New rates effective from 1st July 2022. Okay, free train travels of MPs cost government more than 60 crores in the past 5 years. Okay. Sensex drops 450 points, 50 below. Okay. GST changes to lift prices. Hit household spending. Google to pay 90 million to settle legal fight with app developers. Okay. LPG price July. कुछ है ही नहीं. But Brent crude oil did go down by a lot, and that's a good news for the market, especially for Banknifty. Oh, sorry. We are definitely going up, guys, from here. It's quite inevitable. Hopefully, but we might be surprised. Very slow, but it's going up definitely. Okay, so we are in a profit of 200 points, which is good. Now this would be the main point where we can actually take resistance. It has to break this level. Have to wait. We are almost nearing our target, and again, so now at a profit of 202 points. Few days the market is really easy to predict, and other days it becomes difficult. Now this is the major point which it has to pass in order to go up. Hmm. 12:30 on its way. So we still have one remaining lot, and that lot is in a profit of 217 points. Banknifty even might give a positive closing because it's just at minus 25%. Let's see if it can cross this resistance over here. 33,200, let's say 200 at 463, 64, and we had entered, I guess, somewhere around 390 level, so almost reached 100 points, almost. 12:30, some big move actually can come into the market. We can see that the price might go haywire here and there and everywhere. 12:30, let's wait for 12:30 and then we can exit from today. The market was predictable but a bit volatile, yes. Let's see. 12:30, there might be a boom, and probably hoping that it's in the upside because of the price action. And we are still in a long trade. Yes, it's going up. Let's see. Trying to break out. Patience is the key over here. All right, so it's taking some amount of reversal over here, but I have to wait. Let's just check Nifty once. We are still in a long position. You have to hold it. Let's see till 12:40 at least. I'm going to wait for some time before it actually makes some move, and taking a rejection at this point. This resistance has become a demand right now, and we might go up from here. Still have 4 minutes. Sorry. Alright, we have taken a rejection and now it's trying to go up. Okay, let's see if we can push towards the upside. 12:28, 2 minutes to go before 12:30. This is when your patience will be tested. You'll have to be patient over here, guys. And I know seeing all of these losses are difficult, but that's what happens. You have to keep on practicing in the demo chart before going into the real money trading. It's getting a bit slow over here, but let's see. F29, just opening Bloomberg, YouTube, let's open Bloomberg. Looks like the entire European market is down, and we might be going down today. Who knows? And it seems bad. And if the European market is down, that's not a good news in one way, but there is one contrarian view to it. If you think about where the European market people will actually be investing their money, they might be investing their money into our market, seeing that our markets are still holding. So that might be also an option for them. But till now, we are still in an uptrend. I can even draw a trend line over here. Okay, so this is a trend line. Yeah, kind of like a trend line. Hopefully, if it bounces from this spot, then we can get a better confirmation. But it's looking difficult. Let's see. We have to hold on to our position, whatever position we had taken, and see how it is actually going, whether it's going in our favor or not. We have to be patient over here. Okay, it's bouncing. 12:34, so we are expecting some good move right now in the market at least. And अभी अगर good move नहीं आता है तो कब आएगा? That is the main question. A good rejection, still in a profit of 186 points. Beautiful price action over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are going up. Very nice. Let's see. Being patient is the best thing over here. Still, we are getting a lot of rejection. 33,200 C is still at a profit of more than 100 points. Obviously we are at 463 points. Okay, so we are going up nicely. If it breaks this high, then we can extend our target. Once this resistance is broken over here, which is 33,374, once that resistance is broken, we can actually aim for something big, but we'll have to wait. Alright, we are trying to go up slowly. It's 12:40 almost. Entire gap has been filled quite nice. Oh, beautiful candle. The entire gap has been filled. Yes, that's our target. Again, we have reached our target at a profit of, okay, the target is 221. Not bad. We can wait for the next candle, and the next candle breaks, then we would be getting a good buy, because Nifty is also looking quite bullish. It's trying to go up from here, minus 79%, because it was at minus 1.15%. Yes, let's see. It's taking a good resistance over here. Markets are a bit slow today. A bit slow. ऐसे होगा तो टाइम डी के तो होगा रे बाबा. Time डी के. Let's go. We are heading towards this resistance 33,372. A very nice ascending triangle pattern even can be detected. The date is 20 sorry 1st of July 2022, and we had taken a long trade in the morning at around this point, and that was, I believe, at 10, yeah, 10:05. We had taken a long trade and it had given us a really nice amount of profit, which you can see by showing you the points. It's more than 186 points. Can still hold on to this trade and see how it goes, but for now we have achieved our target, and I think that would be all for today. Okay, it'll be slow, but if you are holding, then you can hold on to the remaining lot. Alright, so yeah, that's it. Take care, guys. Maybe I might come if there's any interesting scenario. I might not come today, and hopefully we would not be trading anymore, because today is the end of the week and we can go without any BTST trade. I don't want you guys to take any tension in the weekend. It's better like that. Don't take any BTST trade, because it might open with a huge gap up or gap down, and then the whole weekend you would be looking at SGX Nifty and Dow Jones and all of those indexes. So it's better that you don't take any trade. At the end of the day, you have made a profit. One trade we had taken a good risk reward ratio, earned a good profit, and let's just keep it that way. Okay, take care, guys. Have a nice weekend and keep the trade open, and trade your stop loss at least above cost, so that whatever happens, you can get something out of it, out of the remaining lot. Not the first lot, we had already exited at 200 points. The remaining lot we are holding. Okay, take care, bye.